Today we are testing out 25 Dollar Tree cleaning products for 2025. In the previous video, I shared the 25 products that are must-haves for 2025, and so if you missed that video, I will have it at the end of this one. But let's go ahead and get into number one. We're going to start off with this furniture polish. All the cleaning products in today's video are $1.25. This says it cleans, restores, and polishes the wood, and it is in a lemon scent. So this is what our kitchen table looks like right now. It's pretty dull. It definitely needs a good clean. So what I'm going to do is actually spray on one half of the table, wipe that down, and then show y'all the difference between the side that I haven't cleaned and the side that I have, and then we'll go in and just clean both sides all together. The one side of the table is still drying, so those streaks actually do go away, but you can see the difference between this one and the one on the left. It's just a lot more shiny and there's a lot more clarity than the other side. It's a lot more dull. So now I'm just going to do the other side, and I noticed I used a little bit too much product on the right side of the table, so I used less product on this side, and I went ahead and just wiped down the whole thing. But I really liked this because the smell is really subtle if you're sensitive to fragrances, and there are no streaks, and my table looks good as new now, minus a few scratches that it has. But the little window on the top left is what it looked like before, and it's compared to what it looks like now. So much better, so highly recommend this product. The next product we are going to be testing out are these Scrub Buddies 2-in-1 erasers. So the blue side is a sponge, and then the eraser side is just like a Mr. Clean eraser. For this, I was wanting to test the durability since it is not the name brand. I know the name brand is pretty sturdy, so I didn't try the name brand today, but you can see on my deep freezer, the door for sure is just super gross. The cats love to sit on top of here, so some of this is just loose debris that needs to be wiped down. So for that, I used the sponge side. Well, once I was done with the sponge side, I did add some more water and then flipped it over to the eraser side. And on that side, I was wanting to get off all the gray, almost they look like scuff marks. I'm not really sure how that happens, but it just turns gray like soot. And I really wanted to get that cleaned off, and I'm really happy with how this turned out. It produced so much shine. I can't wait for y'all to see what the top of this deep freezer looks like, because before you couldn't really see reflections, and after you can. It also took away some of the yellowing that was adding up on the rubber seal along the door, so I really liked that.
Who am I talking to? Is somebody out?
So the sponge side is perfectly intact. The eraser side does have a lot of little cuts in it from my fingernails and also a couple holes, but it's still intact, so I am happy with this product. You only get 2 in the box. It is $1.25, so just keep that in mind. You may get a better deal buying the Mr. Eraser packs in bulk. But now, we are going to be using the all-purpose lemongrass and citrus cleaner. This one is a plant-based derived cleaner, and I'm going to be using it on my countertops that I recently painted with countertop paint. I have to use a more natural, not super harsh cleaning product on the countertops to make sure that I am not stripping the paint away. So this worked out great. It did a good job. The smell is really subtle. So again, if you're someone that does like subtle smells, then you probably will like this. If you're someone that really likes to smell your cleaning products, then this one may not be one that you want to go for, but it will get the job done.
Through darkness, the
I have had this ring on my microwave for a while now and some paint, so I'm going to use this foaming kitchen cleaner. It's in the pink grapefruit scent. This is a dupe for the Pink Stuff foaming cleaner, and I'm going to use it on the top of the microwave. Now, it does say that it stays where you spray it, and I'm not sure if they mean it's not supposed to backsplash, but it definitely did hit my backsplash. But that could be a human error. I might have just sprayed it a little bit too close. So I'm going to check the back of the bottle after I get done cleaning just to make sure it's not something I did.
So cover me, 'cause I'ma let you out, I'ma let you in. You're my enemy.
So it doesn't say how far away to hold the can, but the wood polish did say about 6 inches away from the surface. So that probably was just my issue. But I do want to show y'all how good this worked because it took off. There was a big ring right here. I'll see if I can show y'all the before clip. And now it is completely gone, which is really nice. It's super shiny. There's a lot of scratches and stuff on our microwave that I can't get out. And then there's one spot, if I can get it to focus, right here that I wasn't able to get out either. But I had some paint right here and it took that right off. I'm going to clean up underneath this stove eye, and to do that I'm going to use the Scrubbing Buddies soap pads. But y'all, I was shocked to see the difference in size between the Scrubbing Buddies soap pads and the Brillo Basic soap pads. The Brillo Basic soap pads, you get 8 in the box. The Scrubbing Buddies, you get 10 in a box. Here are them next to each other. Shocking, the size difference. I will say the Brillo one is more structured, but the Scrub Buddies is a lot bigger. There's a lot more product on it as well. And I've used both of these just, you know, in my personal time, and they both work great. The only difference is the Scrubbing Buddies is a lot more affordable. It comes out to 12 cents, I think. They're $1.25 and you get 10 in a box. So hopefully I did my math right. But the Brillo one, you only get 8. And it's smaller. So to me, it makes a lot more sense. And from now on, I love Brillo, but I'm switching over to the Scrubbing Buddies. And I'll get the Brillo ones if they're ever out of stock because it works great and you get more for your money. So now we're moving on to the dupe for the Pink Stuff paste. This is a multi-purpose cleaning paste, and we're going to use it on our stainless steel sink today. So I just rinsed the sink. I left the sponge dry. The sponge is also from Dollar Tree, and I love these sponges because they are abrasive, so really good at getting things that are stuck on, and they fit perfectly down your drain. So you can really get in there and clean that drain up well with these. And this product worked really well. It worked just like the Pink Stuff. The only difference I noticed is possibly the size of the container, and then also the Dollar Tree version is much lighter pink. It's almost white. Versus the Pink Stuff, it is more pink. If I can remember, it was almost like a Pepto-Bismol pink, and this one is like barely pink at all. So if you like your cleaning products being a fun color, then you're not really gonna see it in that, but it worked great, so I do recommend. Now we're using the Totally Awesome spray. So this is a multi-purpose cleaner, and it is a concentrate. So I put just a little bit in the bottom and then added the rest with water. And I'm going to pair that with the scouring pads from Scrubbing Buddies. You get 8 in the box. And I'm going to spray all of these little blotches of white paint on my floor because I want to get this clean. Every time I sweep and vacuum, it's like, did the girl even do the job? Because it still looks like there's stuff on her floor, and that's because it's paint. And look how easy it comes off. Just need a little bit of elbow grease and you're good to go. So I highly recommend. It's totally awesome as a concentrate. Just make sure you are diluting it with water or it will knock you out of the room. And I did notice when using it on the floor, it did leave a very, very shiny after effect. So if you are cautious, just maybe go back in with a paper towel or a dry cloth to make sure there's no possible someone slipping and falling. Anyway, so we're moving on to the Oxy powder from Dollar Tree from Brillo brand. I had a mop pad in my washing machine that was disgusting. So it comes with this little scoop that's about a tablespoon. I poured that in there and then I added a little bit of this Persil laundry detergent. And that's all I put in there. And then we're going to run it on just a light casual cycle because there's just a little bit in there. I don't like washing anything else with those mop pads because, anyways. But I wanted to show y'all the difference in size of the OxyClean versus the Oxy Blast. The cups. I'm shocked. It makes me think, you know what? Have I been overusing the OxyClean powder in the big container? Because the one in the Brillo Basics container just comes with a little tablespoon. Now, for different jobs, you're going to need a different amount. But it made me think, hey, maybe I should just use a little tablespoon scoop. Either one I'm using, the one from Dollar Tree or the one from the grocery store. But look how good this came out. Now, Persil is a really good laundry detergent, so I can't give all the credit to the OxyClean, but I will recommend it because it did a really good job. Now I'm using the Brillo Basics dish spray. This is a dupe for the Dawn dish spray. And you can just spray it all over your dishes, your cups, or what have you. And the whole point is to make it to where it does most of the cleaning for you. So you spray it, you forget it for a few minutes, and then you come back and you rinse everything. And then you just have to wipe it down. But you don't have to be there and cleaning the dishes like you normally would. So the spray takes care of a lot of the work, and I highly recommend this product because not only can you use it for your dishes, but you can also use it to clean other areas. For example, earlier when we were cleaning the stove eyes, you could use the spray for that area as well, and I'm sure there's lots of other places you could use it. So now we're using the Sun Pine Window Cleaner. This is 40 ounces of essentially Windex. So I have some scuffs. Well, I don't know if they're scuffs, but my mirror looks pretty rough. My cat likes to think that this is a treadmill and she runs on it. Is it not the cutest thing in the world to see animals react to their own reflection? Because it's like they have no idea that it's them. She thinks there's another cat that looks just like her in that mirror. But this cleaning product worked. It also smelled good. I did miss a spot on the left, so y'all are going to see that in a second. But everywhere else, I did not notice any streaks, any marks, nothing. And it looks crystal clear. So I'm really happy with that. Y'all can probably see where I missed a spot on the left side. But yeah, I'll buy this again because it's cheaper than Windex and you get about double the amount. Now we're going to use the Power Clinging Toilet Bowl Cleaner. Now this is a dupe for the pink stuff. I will say it's not as thick as the pink stuff. It does come out a lot, thinner. And I also noticed that when I flushed the toilet, I could see little pink lines going down. So I'm not sure if that means it's possibly going to dye the toilet bowl pink. So that's just something to take into consideration. But now we're going to use these little dissolvable tablets. And I thought it would be fun to do a time lapse. So leave it in your toilet for 10 minutes and then you can just clean it with your scrubber just as you normally would. I did like this product. I liked this product more than I did the pink cleaning one, because this did not leave any residue, and when I flushed, it was just perfectly clear. And yeah, the only thing I will say is the the thing it comes in, the powder is coming out of it. The thing it comes in did not completely dissolve, so that's my only concern. But otherwise, I do recommend it. The last product we are using today is this drain rooter. So I was initially going to use it in my shower, but I did not have any hair in my drain, surprisingly. So I switched over to my sink, and I have a little grate thing at the bottom. So it wasn't a complete test. So I'll have to try this again later, but it did pick up the hair that I had kind of at the surface. But I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. I almost said cleaning video. I guess we did do a lot of cleaning, but trying out cleaning products from Dollar Tree. Let me know if there's any you're excited to try. And I will see y'all back here very soon for another video. Bye.
Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution.